Hi friends, welcome to my channel Canuck Buddy. As always, उम्मीद करता हूँ आप लोग सब हेल एंड हार्टी होंगे एंड टेकिंग गुड केयर ऑफ़ योर सेल्फ. Well friends, some important updates today, some positive news, some good news. But before we start, as always, would request kindly please subscribe, like and press the bell icon. आप लोग का सपोर्ट चाहिए for the channel, so kindly extend your support and persuade us to make better content videos. So friends, as always, सबसे पहले बात कर लेते हैं number of cases in India. So if you look at the screen, 43,400 cases रिपोर्ट हुए हैं इंडिया में. 911 deaths have happened in the last 24 hours. So cases have gone up. It's really a matter of concern, but we have to keep giving our contribution. हम लोगों को अपना social distancing, mask पहनना, we all have to follow that and protect ourselves, protect our families, and then protect the rest of the people around us. So this is the news. इसके बाद बात कर लेते हैं number of cases in Canada. So 569 cases have been reported as of July 8th in Canada. 59 cases in British Columbia, 23 cases in Alberta, 210 cases in Ontario, and 64 cases in Quebec. So cases in Canada have also gone up slightly, but again, till the time ये 1000 के नीचे रहती है figure, I don't think it's a matter of worry. Canada has achieved a figure of 40 million vaccinations, which is like an amazing figure which they have touched, and it's a really big accomplishment for them. इसके बाद आज का जो सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट अपडेट है वो मैं आप लोगों के साथ डिस्कस कर लेता हूँ. जो मेल के बारे में हमने बात की थी रिगार्डिंग द टू वे कोरियर. सो टुडे व्हेन आई चेक्ड माय मेल बॉक्स, आई हैव रिसीव्ड Canada courier payment link. Basically, if you look at it, the it reads, hope you and your family are safe. This is a continuation to our earlier mail shared on 4th July. So अगर आप टाइमलाइन को देखें, 4th जुलाई को उन्होंने मेल भेजा था कि we are resuming with the services on 5th. Kindly be patient, and the mail has come on 9th of July at 5:35 in the morning. So we went ahead and made the payment on this through this payment link. और अभी हमने फिर से जब चेक करा अराउंड 1947, यानी कि 7:47 का आप देख रहे हैं मेल. इट सेज प्लीज़ नोट द पिकअप वुड बी डन इन द नेक्स्ट 3 to 5 working days, and your package will be picked up from the address provided by you while filing the web form. So VFS is really moving very fast. They have simply made it very clear कि backlog बहुत ज़्यादा है, and they are still trying their level best, and they are saying that kindly please wait for 3 to 4 weeks for the passports to be stamped and returned back to you. So overall, it's a great news. Things are moving on a fast pace. So let's hope for the best and let's keep our fingers crossed on this one. इसके अलावा कनाडा ने, अगर आप देखें कनाडा बॉर्डर सर्विस एजेंसीज़ का, तो उन्होंने बोला है फॉर दे आर ट्राइंग टू इंट्रोड्यूस अ टेस्ट किट बेसिकली. सो इन ऑर्डर टू रिलीज़ आउट द प्रेशर जो एयरपोर्ट्स पे है टेस्टिंग का, ऑन अराइवल टेस्टिंग. सो वो उन्होंने लिखा है फॉर eligible fully vaccinated travelers entering by air mode, you may now have the option to take the test kit and complete your arrival test at home. This will help expedite processing at the airport. So ये वाला option introduce कर रहे हैं, so people are not getting and spending a lot of time at the airport. I think which is a very good initiative on their part. इसके बाद हम लोग बात कर लेते हैं बेसिकली जो उन्होंने फर्दर इसी जो अपडेट करा है टेस्ट किट का, उसमें उन्होंने मेंशन करा है, ये दिस लिंक आई एम गोइंग टू लीव इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन सो यू कैन गो थ्रू द इंटायर डिटेल. उसमें लिखा हुआ है व्हेन यू आर एंट्रिंग कैनेडा यू विल बी इंस्ट्रक्टेड टू ईदर टेक एन अराइवल टेस्ट एट द बॉर्डर और रिसीव अ होम किट. यू मे ऑल्सो गेट अ किट टू यूज़ on day 8 of your mandatory quarantine. So I think this is a very good initiative. इसके अलावा the other good news which is coming for the parents, especially with younger kids younger than 12 years, उसमें इन्होंने बोला है कि vaccination, Pfizer spokesperson said that they hope to submit potential approval for their vaccine for children aged 5 to 11 sometimes in September and October time frame. So this is again a very good development, and we should hope that by the end of the year the vaccination course for the kids should be happening in the regular way. तो ये बहुत अच्छी न्यूज़ है. इसके अलावा जो अपडेट है, Pfizer again has said a third shot of 2-dose Pfizer vaccine has the capacity to offer the highest levels of protection against known COVID-19 variants. So variants के लिए ये recommend कर रहे हैं Pfizer that they should start implementing the shot, the third shot, including it is going to be effective on the Delta variant, the drug maker has said. So I think for the people who have taken the Pfizer and बेसिकली जो मडर्ना ले रहे हैं, आई थिंक इट इज़ अ गुड न्यूज़ फॉर दोज पीपल एंड दिस इज़ लुकिंग वेरी पॉजिटिव. अब द नेक्स्ट अपडेट इज़ इन रिगार्ड टू from Justin Trudeau, the Prime Minister of Canada. He has categorically said, if you are wondering when unvaccinated tourists can come to Canada, I can tell you right now that's not going to happen for a while. So उन्होंने बहुत कैटेगोरिकली बोल दिया है कि आप वैक्सीनेट हो जाएं, then only you should have a hope to travel to Canada. So in a way they are trying to promote the vaccination throughout, and then only allow people to come to Canada. So I think this is going to be the way forward. So kindly please, जिन्होंने वैक्सीनेशन अभी तक they are thinking about it, they should just try and get their vaccination done as soon as possible. So एक और इम्पॉर्टेंट अपडेट आया है from IRCC, which is in regard to the proof of funds, basically for the people who are there in the express entry. So they have made an announcement. The annual update to the proof of funds will take place on July 15. Check your express entry before July 15 to make sure you have enough funds and are still eligible. So they want you to update your proof of funds by 15th of July for all the people who are there in the pool. I think this is going to be for the federal skilled worker and for the federal trade the trade skill. So kindly go ahead and make sure you update this. It's going to be rolling out in the next 5 to 6 days. So this is very important. I am going to leave the link for this. So they have mentioned it, who needs proof of funds. You need proof of funds to meet the minimum requirement of Federal Skilled Worker Program, Federal Skilled Trades Program. So lot of updates are there, especially I think once again things are coming back on track, and things are started to happen at the right pace. I think थोड़ा जैसे ही आगे बढ़ेगा over the next week 10 days, this will catch on further pace and we can expect a lot of positivity, lot of work, pending work getting done from the VFS and the Canadian Embassy side. So overall, a good round of updates. So before I close, guys, would request to kindly please like, subscribe and press the bell icon. आप लोगों का मच नीडेड सपोर्ट चाहिए चैनल के लिए, और आपने अगर चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं करा है then kindly please subscribe the channel, and we will keep coming back to you with some great updates. And till that time, please take good care of yourself and stay safe. Bye bye.